Okay, students, welcome to our GK class, standard 4. GK means what? General knowledge. Okay, so we have started lesson number 2, Indian culture revision. Okay, now today is the last part of our revision of lesson number 2. Okay, so we will take a quick revision what we have studied in this lesson. So, is my voice clear to you all? And screen is also shared. Yes, thank you all of you. Okay, let's continue now. Okay, so first in this lesson, we have seen famous places of our country, India. Yes, so which places we have seen? We have seen Golden Temple of Amritsar, which is located in the state of Punjab. Yes, then we have seen Konark Sun Temple of Odisha. Yes, then the Lotus Temple of New Delhi. Where is Lotus Temple? In New Delhi. Then the Ganga River of Varanasi. Ganga River is the holiest river of our India. Then Hawa Mahal of Jaipur, which is located in the state of Rajasthan. Okay, then Vivekananda Rock of city Kanyakumari, which is located in the state of Tamil Nadu. Yes, then the Mysore Palace of city Mysore, from which state? Karnataka state. Okay, then the Ajanta and Ellora caves of Aurangabad city, which is located in the state of Maharashtra. Then Victoria Memorial in the it is in the Kolkata city from the state of West Bengal. And lastly, we have seen Kerala state. Kerala state is a scenic state. Yes, beautiful state. Then, okay, so this 10 famous places we have seen in this lesson. Now, then we have seen that Mumbai is a very congested city. So, for the government of our India, it has made new Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, okay, near to Mumbai. Then we have seen renamed states or city. Renamed states means the new name is given to the states or cities. So the names are being changed. Okay. So which names are changed? Let us see. Bangalore is changed to Bengaluru. Bangalore is changed to Bengaluru. Then Bombay is changed to Mumbai. Bombay is changed to Mumbai. Calcutta is changed to Kolkata. Calcutta is changed to Kolkata. Then fourth one, Cochin is changed to Kochi. Cochin is changed to Kochi. Okay. Then Madras has been changed to Chennai. Madras is changed to Chennai. Then Banaras is changed to Varanasi. Banaras is changed to Varanasi. Orissa is changed to Odisha. Orissa is changed to Odisha. Pondicherry to Puducherry. Pondicherry to Puducherry. And last we have seen Uttaranchal to Uttarakhand. Okay, so this 9 names of the states or cities has been changed. They have been given new names. Okay. Yes, you all students will by heart this renamed states. Okay. Yes. Now Afterwards, what we have seen? We have seen embroidery library. Embroidery means the work which is done on different clothes and different embroideries we have seen. So what we have seen? First embroidery, which embroidery we have seen? It is chicken curry. Yes, this embroidery is famous in Uttar Pradesh, in Lucknow. Okay, so see the different types of chicken curry cloth. Yes, all these are chicken curry. Okay, then the next we have seen is Fulkari. Next embroidery we have seen is Fulkari. Where is Fulkari famous? It is famous in the state of Punjab and Haryana. It is famous in the place of Punjab and Haryana. Okay, this work, you can see this work here. Then, yes, this is also Fulkari. Now, the third embroidery we have seen is Kantha stitch. Kantha stitch. Okay. Then see the different types of Kantha stitch. Where it is famous? In which state it is famous? It is famous in West Bengal. It is famous in West Bengal. And what does it mainly include? It mainly includes the those of animals, birds, flowers. Yes, yes, this is the Kantha stitch. Here you can see the peacock design is made. Okay, so this is the Kantha stitch. Next is Kashida embroidery. Next is Kashida embroidery. Kashida embroidery is famous in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir. Yes. Okay. See different types of Kashida embroidery. Okay. Yes. See they are mainly done on the light colored cloth. Light colored cloth. Okay. Like of white, cream color. Yes. So this is Kashida embroidery. Kashida embroidery. Now, the next is Rabari embroidery. Rabari embroidery, it is famous in the states of Gujarat and Rajasthan. It is famous in the state of Gujarat and Rajasthan. Yes, it is the combined work. It is the combined work of thread and mirror work. Yes. So, see, here you can see it is the combined work of thread and mirror work. Okay, and this unique embroidery is, it belongs to Rewari community of Gujarat and Rajasthan. Then next we have seen is Kalamkari embroidery. Kalamkari embroidery. Kalam means, I told you, it is, we called kalam in Hindi, that is pen. Kalam is called in Hindi as pen. Oh, okay. Then see, this is done with a pen, with the using natural dyes, Okay. See, yes, with the help of this kalam, the colors are filled in this embroidery, and it is famous in the state of Andhra Pradesh. It is done in Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Okay. Then the last embroidery we have seen is Bandhani. Yes, this Bandhani is famous in the states of Gujarat and Rajasthan. Okay. In this process, what is done? The cloth is tied with the thread at different points, and then it is dipped in the natural dyes, that is in the natural colors. Okay. Then see, here you can see different types of bandhani saris. Okay. Okay. Now the last part we are going to see is our Indian identities. Okay. Indian identity. Now, what is Indian identity? That is the identity, the symbols, or the some things which are our pride, which are our nation's pride. Okay, so some Indian identities we are going to see. See the first one. Yes. Which animal is this? It is tiger. Yes. So tiger is our national animal. Tiger is our national animal. Okay. Tiger is our national animal. Why it is national animal? Because in Hindu mythology and Vedic era, the tiger was the symbol of power. It was a symbol of power. So India is a home. India is a home of 80% of tigers. 80% of tigers in the world. We have in our India 80% of tigers. So therefore, tiger is our national animal. But however, students, nowadays, tigers numbers are decreasing. Tigers numbers are decreasing. Okay. So, our national animal is tiger. Then, see, the national animal of India is tiger. Okay. Now then, which is our national bird? Our national bird is peacock. Peacock. It has very colorful feathers. It has very colorful feathers. Okay. Now, in peacock, the male species is more colorful. It is more colorful than the female species. The female is brownish and slightly smaller than male peacock. So, peacock is our national bird. Yes, peacock is very beautiful bird. Then, yes, third one is national flower. Which is our national flower? National flower of India is lotus. National flower of India is lotus. So many flowers are there, but in that, lotus is our national flower. It is a sacred flower and has a unique position in mythology of India. Yes, it is a sacred flower and has unique position in mythology of India. Okay, so lotus, do you know, student, where does it grows? It grows in the dirtiest water. It grows in the dirtiest water, but still it looks so beautiful. It looks so beautiful. So our national flower is lotus. See how beautiful it is. Then, which tree is this? Which tree is this on the screen? Yes, it is a banyan tree. It is the banyan tree. The banyan tree is our national tree. Banyan tree is our national tree. The banyan tree represents eternal life. It represents eternal life because of its expanding branches. Here you can see so many branches are there. Yes. So the country's unity is symbolized by this tree. The country's unity. Yes. The country's unity is symbolized by this tree. So this tree is also known as Kalpavriksha. It is also known as Kalpavriksha in Hindi. It means wish fulfilling tree. It means wish fulfilling tree. So our national tree of India is banyan tree. Then Vande Mataram. Yes, Vande Mataram, national song of India, national song of India. Which is our national song? National song of India is Vande Mataram. Yes. So, see, Vande Mataram. Okay. Then, national song, national anthem. National song is Vande Mataram and our national anthem is Janagana Mana. We every day in school, in offline school, we say Janagana Mana. It is the tribute to our motherland, India. It is tribute to our motherland, India. And it was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. It was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Yes, in this see Janagana Mana here. Okay, so in English translation of Janagana Mana is known as the morning song of India. It is known as the morning song of India. Yes, yes. Now 15th August is coming. So on that day, we hoist the flag. We hoist our flag and say Janagana Mana. That is, we give the tribute to our flag. We give tribute to our motherland. Okay. Yes, so Janagana Mana is our national anthem. Then, what is our national symbol? Our national symbol is the lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath. It is the lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath. Yes, so this is our national emblem. Okay. It represents our country. National symbol is the symbol that represents our country. Here you can see 4 lions. Yes, 3 lions here you can see, and 1 lion is backside. So it is a motto, Satyameva Jayate. Our motto is Satyameva Jayate. This 4 lions, here you can see this 4 lions symbolizes as power. They symbolizes as power, courage, pride, and confidence. This 4 lions symbolizes as power, courage, pride, and confidence. Yes. So the lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath. The lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath is our national emblem. That means it is our national symbol. Yes. Okay. Now, next. Yes, which fruit it is? Mango. Yes, everybody likes mango. Yes, so mango is our national fruit. Mango is our national fruit. Yes, mango is the most important and widely cultivated fruit in our India. So mango is our national fruit. Mango is also called as king of all the fruits. Mango is also called as king of all the fruits. Yes, it has a sweet fragrance and a lovely flavor. Yes, we all love to eat the sweet mangoes. As why mangoes are our national fruit? Mango represents prosperity. It represents prosperity, abundances, and richness of our country. So mango is our national fruit. Yes. Then see which sport is our national sport? Hockey. Yes, hockey is our national sport. Hockey is our national sport. The national sport of our country is hockey. It was on the basis of the popularity of the game during the year 1920 to 1950. In between these years in 1920 to 1950, this game was so much popular, and India has won 6 consecutive Olympic gold medals during this period. Okay, India has won 6 consecutive Olympic gold medals during this period. Yes. Now, students, nowadays also Olympic Games are conducted in Tokyo in Japan. It is conducted in Tokyo in Japan, and so many awards we have won. So many awards: silver medal, bronze, gold medal. Recently, we have received gold medal also. Okay. Yes. So, national sports of our India is hockey. Okay, it is played with a stick. This is the hockey stick, and it is a ball. It is a like a season ball, and this is the hockey stick. Yes. So the opponents have to do the goals. The opponents have to do the goals, and whoever goals are higher, that team wins. Okay. So national sport is hockey. See. Then national river. Which is our national river? Yes, of course, Ganga River. Ganga River. We buy because I told you before also, Ganga is our holiest river. And the Ganga is the longest river. It is the longest river flowing over 2,510 kilometers. 2,510 kilometers of from mountainous valleys and plains. So it originated in Himalayas. It is originated in Himalayas, and it is our holiest river. It is our holiest river. Okay, it signifies purity and spirituality. It signifies purity and spirituality. So Ganga River is our national river. We have so many rivers in our country, but Ganga is our national river. Okay, and it is situated in Varanasi. It is situated in Varanasi. People go there for worshipping the river Ganga. Okay. Okay. The next is our national water animal. Water means aquatic animal. National aquatic animal of India is the river dolphin. River dolphin. Yes, here you can see the dolphin here. River dolphin. Ganga and Brahmaputra river. These both rivers, Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers, has most of the dolphins. They has the most of the dolphins. Yes. So river dolphin is our national water animal. National water animal. So 3 decades ago, most cited aquatic animal in Brahmaputra and Ganga river was river dolphin. So therefore our river dolphin is national water animal. Okay, so this 10 identities we have seen. Yes, we have seen this 10 identities of our India. All these are our pride of our nation. Yes, so let us revise once again India's identities, Indian identities. Our national animal is tiger. Our national animal is tiger. Our national bird is peacock. Our national bird is peacock. Our national flower is lotus. Then our national tree is banyan tree. Our national tree is banyan tree. Then our national song is Vande Mataram, and national anthem is Janagana Mana. Don't get confused between national song and national anthem. National song is Vande Mataram and national anthem is Janagana Manam. Okay. Then our national emblem is called as the lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath. Our national emblem is called as the lion capital, yes, of Ashoka at Sarnath. Then our national fruit is mango. National fruit is mango. Our national sports is hockey. National sports is hockey. Our national river is Ganga. National river is Ganga because it is the longest river in our country and the holiest river of our country. Yes, our national water animal is river dolphin because it was sighted mostly in the Ganga and Brahmaputra river. Okay, so we have seen Indian identities. So we complete our revision of lesson number 2, that is Indian culture. Okay. Okay. Students, don't write anything except answers in the chat box. Everything is viewed, okay, and it is also recorded. So whatever you are writing, it has been recorded, okay. So don't write anything. Yes. So today's homework is you have to write down all our Indian identities: national animal, national bird, national flower, national tree, then national song. Okay. All you have to write down in your notebook. Okay. Okay. Now tell me which is our national fruit? Which is our national fruit? Yes, very good. Mango. Yes, all of you. Jia, Rehan, Tanish, Merin, Aradhya, Dhruvika, Sneha, all of you, very good. National fruit is mango. Very, very good, all of you. Okay. Tell me, which is our national bird? Tell me, national bird. National bird. Yes, all are right. Very good. All are right. Peacock. Peacock is our national bird. Very good. Tell me which is our national flower. National flower. Yes, Neha. Very good. Very good, all of you. Lotus. Virat, please check the spelling of lotus. Purva Thakre also, wrong spelling beta. Learn all the spellings. Pranit Zherkar. Yes. Those who have written the correct spelling, very good. Those who have not written the correct spelling, you have to write down and learn it. Okay. Then tell me which is our national sport. National sports. Shreyans Mohane also wrong spelling. Yes, very good, Girija. Hockey is our national game, national sports. Yes, hockey. All of you good, hockey. Yes. Now tell me, yes, which is our national river? National river. Yes, Ganga River. Ganga is our national river. Very good, all of you. Okay. Which is our national tree? National tree. Yes, very good, Devesh. Yes, all of you very good. Banyan tree. Yes, banyan tree is our national tree. Which is our national animal? National animal. Yes, all of you good. Tiger. Tiger is our national. No, lion. Who wrote lion? Janvi? No, beta. Tiger is our national animal. Okay. Yes. And which is our national water animal? Water animal. Yes, dolphin. Very good. Dolphin spelling also correct, Virat. It is wrong. River dolphin. Yes, river dolphin is our national water animal. Okay. Now tell me, which is our national song? National song? Yes. Vande Mataram. No, Dheeraj, you are getting confused. Janagana Mana is our national anthem. Vande Mataram is our national song. Yes. Those who have written Janagana Mana, it is wrong, beta. Vande Mataram is our national song and Janagana Mana is our national anthem. Okay? Yes. Okay. Now tell me, uh, who has written Janagana Mana? I told you who has written Janagana Mana. Yes, Bhavya Gupta. Very good. Very good. Sneha. Very good. Rabindranath Tagore. Krutarth Ovi. What is this? No, Muhammad Aqif Bakim Chandra Chattopadhyay. No, it is wrong. Rabindranath Tagore is the right answer. Rabindranath Tagore has written Janagana Mana. Okay, okay. Now tell me, uh, new name given to Bombay. New name given to Bombay. Past. Mumbai. Very good, Yug. Mumbai. Yes, all of you. Good. Mumbai. Very, very good. No, Devesh, not Navi Mumbai. Only Mumbai. Bombay, it is given Mumbai. Okay. Yes. Then tell me what is the name for Banaras given? New name for Banaras. Banaras. Yes. Yes. All of you good. Very good. Varanasi. Yes. Varanasi is the name changed. That is Banaras name is changed to Varanasi. Very good, very good. Yes. Then tell me what is the name given to Madras? What is the name given to Madras? Very good. Sneha, Yashashri, Kurtarth, Manoj, Tedar. Very good. Chennai. Chennai is given to Madras. Yes. Tell me where is Golden Temple situated? Where is Golden Temple situated? Yes, Punjab, very good. In which state? Punjab. And city? Amritsar, very good. Tell me, where is Hawa Mahal situated? Where is Hawa Mahal situated? All of you, those who are writing the wrong spellings, beta, please correct it. Learn the correct spellings. Yes, Jaipur, very good. Jaipur is the right answer. Hawa Mahal is in Jaipur, very good. Okay. Where is Victoria Memorial? Where is Victoria Memorial? No, Gia, wrong. Yes. Kolkata. Kolkata is the right answer. Victoria Memorial. It is in Kolkata. Yes. Okay. Which state is called as God's own country? Which state is called as God's own country? Yes, yes. Correct the spelling, Mohammed. It is wrong spelling. Bhavya Gupta, it is the wrong answer. God's own country is the right answer is Kerala. Kerala is called as God's own country. Okay. So students, you will complete your workbook. Okay. The notes are being shared to you in your group. So you will complete all the notes. Okay. Yes. And by heart the spellings also. Most of the students, your spellings are wrong. So please by heart the spellings. Okay. Yes. All of you, bye bye now. Take care. We will meet in the next week. Okay. Bye, all of you.